In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create YouTube scripts using ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, launch your ChatGPT app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, you'll need to come up with a specific topic. Write that down. ChatGPT works best when your prompt is clear and focused. Next, give ChatGPT a detailed prompt. For example, act as an YouTube scriptwriter. Provide me a 3-minute script with a hook, tips, and call to action on the topic Romeo and Juliet. The more details you include, the better the result. You can also set the tone. You can set it to dramatic, energetic, or casual. Ask for that, or maybe make it clear and educational for a tutorial style video. Or the storytelling. Tweak the script to sound like you. Just like that, you have got the foundation for your next video. That's how you can create YouTube scripts fast using ChatGPT. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.